I spent the past few years as a full-time online business manager, and I've had to be the one to tell a client that their big launch failed because half their email list never even saw the announcement. And let me tell you, that was not a fun conversation to have. I've seen perfect product launches completely tank just because the email deliverability was a mess. Because seriously, if your emails are hitting the spam folder, you might as well light your marketing budget on fire. Honestly, choosing the wrong service provider is the fastest way to turn a profitable business into a ghost town. So today, I want to show you why I moved everything over to Constant Contact and why, in my experience, keeping things simple is almost always more profitable than chasing fancy features. And look, there are plenty of platforms out there with infinite bells and whistles. It's just that as an OBM, I don't have the time for a tool that requires a 40-hour course just to send a basic broadcast. Personally, I needed something that bridged that gap, something that was easy enough to actually move the needle on sales. So I've been stress testing Constant Contact for a year now, so we're going to look at the automation and the integrations that actually saved me hours of manual work. But I'm also going to be real about where it hits a wall and what you can do about that. So let's get into it. All right, now, if you haven't heard of Constant Contact before, it's an email marketing platform that's been around for a long time, and they recently adopted a much more modern alternative to the traditional, or what I call more ancient ways of running a business. Now, their main thing is still email marketing, but they also offer website building, e-commerce, and social media management all in one place. In a nutshell, they make it really easy and quick to design, write, and automatically send out professional-looking emails without needing to hire a full-time designer. Personally, as an OBM, the professional look is nice, but what I actually care about is speed to launch. And because they have a bunch of different email templates, you can get a campaign out the door in about 20 minutes. I've seen team members who are brand new to marketing pick this up in an afternoon, which is a huge win for your bottom line because your goal isn't just to send emails. You want to build automated campaigns that work while you're doing other things. And if you are newer to this whole idea, an automated campaign is basically a series of completely automated emails that are sent to your customers based on specific triggers or events, like someone signing up for your newsletter or downloading a free guide. But in order to make automated campaigns, you need something called an autoresponder that can handle a lot of traffic. You can automatically send out welcome emails the second someone joins your list. And this is where you build that initial trust, or you can create automated workflows that send emails based on specific actions. Think of those emails you get when you abandon a cart on Amazon, or when you get a confirmation email when you buy something from a website. Now remember what I said in the intro about the silent killer of businesses, and that's deliverability, which is how effectively the emails that you send make it to actual inboxes rather than getting lost in spam folders or not being delivered at all. And there are a lot of different technical factors that affect this, but Constant Contact has a 98% deliverability rate, and that's honestly one of the best in the industry right now. And here's something really cool that I've been using a lot lately, their new bot open filtering. If you've done this for a while, you know that sometimes bots or privacy settings can open emails automatically, which messes up your data. This new tool, it filters those out. So when you see your open rate, you know it's actual humans reading your stuff. Personally, I'd rather see a lower honest number than a high one that's just inflated by bots. And when your emails consistently land in the right inboxes, you have a much better chance of getting opens, and more importantly, getting people to actually engage with your content. Now, once people start interacting with your emails and traffic is flowing in, as an OBM, my first worry is always the data. It's super important to keep track of who is who, where they're coming from, what stage of the sales process they're at, and honestly just knowing what you can do to help them actually buy something. Because an open is nice, a click is better, but a purchase is what actually pays the bills. And when leads are coming in from your site, Shopify, contact forms, and DMs, it all gets messy. And I played the spreadsheet game before, and I promise you it's a losing battle. Inevitably, someone is going to get lost in the shuffle. How Constant Contact solves all that is through its integrations, connecting to CRM tools that can handle the back-end side and make sure nobody gets left behind. Now, the tool that I've been using for this is HubSpot, and I've been running this exact setup for months. I build and send the campaigns through Constant Contact and then track the long-term results through HubSpot. It basically gives me a bird's eye view of the business. You can see who filled out the form, who clicked something, who became a customer, and you can keep notes and track follow-ups without trying to remember everything in your head. Trust me, it makes a big difference in conversion when you can quickly check what a lead was actually interested in before you send that follow-up. And one thing that I really appreciate is that HubSpot has a pretty fleshed out free plan. It was plenty for me. It lets you manage, but also analyze and then improve your interactions with both current and potential customers without having to pay anything up front. And the connection between HubSpot and Constant Contact is super smooth. It actually feels like one cohesive system. And if you do want to check it out for yourself, I'll throw a link down in the description. Take a look at the tools they've got and just see if it makes sense for the kind of emails you're trying to run. All right, now let's get back into Constant Contact because they've got some cool extra features to really nail your campaigns. One of them is A/B split testing, which works by letting you test 2 subject lines on a small group first, and then automatically sending the winner to everyone else. So in essence, you can test variations of your email using different pictures, text, or call to action buttons. But just keep in mind that this kind of tool is mostly useless if your email list is tiny. So to get any real actionable data, you want to have a list of at least 2,000 contacts so the sample size is big enough to be accurate. If you are just starting out with 100 subscribers, don't overthink this yet. It might take a long time to get results that you can actually trust. But once your email list is big enough and you set up the split testing properly, it can really increase engagement and responses. All right. So when it comes to the social media side of things, you can actually craft and schedule posts in advance across multiple platforms directly from the Constant Contact dashboard. And this includes Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok. And for a busy owner, having your emails in your TikTok schedule in one tab is a massive time saver. Now, one thing that I'm going to tell you here is that they're mainly focused on the more well-known social media platforms. So if your business relies on smaller, more industry-specific apps or messaging apps like Telegram, this feature isn't going to be all that useful to you. Like, I actually have a friend who runs a high-end crypto trading community almost entirely through Telegram. So while I definitely recommend Constant Contact to him for his email marketing because his deliverability was a nightmare, he still has to use other tools for his social side. All right, so in terms of pricing, Constant Contact has 3 main plans that start at a base rate for 500 contacts. First is the Lite plan, which costs $12 a month, and that'll get you 1 automation template, a single user, some basic reporting, and drag and drop email templates, and a few other essentials. Next up is the standard plan starting at $35 a month. And this is what they recommend for most businesses because it adds email scheduling, subject line testing, and a campaign builder. Then there is the premium plan for $80 a month, which gives you priority support, Google Ad Manager, and SEO recommendations. Now, I personally went with the premium plan because it provides unlimited users, which I needed for my marketing team, whereas Lite only allows 1 user and standard allows 3. But if you do have a smaller operation, the standard plan is usually the best value. Also, keep in mind that SMS is a $10 monthly add-on for Lite and standard, while premium includes the first 500 messages. All right, so at the end of the day, I didn't just stick with Constant Contact for the past year because it's the flashiest tool on the market. Honestly, as an online business manager, I've had my fair share of automation nightmares where I spent more time troubleshooting software than actually growing the business. If a platform is so complex that it creates a bottleneck every time you want to send a simple update, it's costing you time and money, and it's not getting you any closer to expanding your business. Personally, I reached a point where I just needed my tech to work. I needed a tool that was set it and forget it, reliable, with deliverability that I didn't have to second guess every time a client had a major launch. Constant Contact became that baseline for me. It's the platform I can hand off to a team member in 20 minutes and know that the emails are actually going to hit the inbox. The data is going to be accurate, and I'm not going to get a system error notification at 3 a.m. So here's my final recommendation. If you are just experimenting and deliverability isn't a high priority for you right now, there are plenty of entry-level options out there. But if you're ready for a reliable professional setup that takes the guesswork out of your email marketing, Constant Contact is where I'd point you. It strikes that balance of being powerful enough to scale, but simple enough to manage without a team of experts. And if that sounds like what your business needs, feel free to use the link in the description to get started. It is an affiliate link, but it won't cost you anything extra. In fact, it almost certainly will get you some deal that you won't find on their websites, and we might get a small commission on it, which really helps out the channel. And like I said before, you'll find a link for HubSpot as well. And that just about wraps this one up. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe for more just like this. Also, if you are a brand and you'd like to work with us or sponsor a future video, you can reach out using our email that's also in the description below. And if you still have any questions, leave me a message in the comments below and I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.